Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome to Freddy's Farm. Today, we planted ginger and turmeric. So we managed to plant 4 rows of ginger and turmeric. And then in between, we planted spinach and kale just to maximize the space. So we're trying to produce more seeds for ginger and turmeric. Let us see if we can supply turmeric and ginger to our customer. Aside from potato, they're also asking for turmeric and ginger. Maybe we need to create a a drying facility here, because they wanted the ginger and turmeric to be dry. Okay, but this thing that we are doing is just to produce seeds. Okay, we're not going to sell this one. So this ginger, we soak this in with effective microorganisms for a minimum of 4 hours. Okay, just to improve its resistance to disease. At the same time, also increase the germination rate. And we also spread cow manure, and at the same time we also spread some coffee grounds. Okay, coffee ground, very rich in carbon and phosphorus and nutrients. Let us see. So these are the things that we did today. Tomorrow we're going to finish this one. I finish I bought only about 3 kg of turmeric, and then about 3 kg also of ginger, and this the only space that we have planted. Okay, anyway, we're going to buy more seeds. When I say seeds, I just buy them from the supermarket, by the way. I have done that before, and in my house, and yeah, it went well. We managed to harvest, ginger also. But let us see. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you. We did so many things today. In fact, we planted tricanthera. We also planted how do you call this one? This lemongrass. Again, because we are organic farm, so I'm trying to surround now the farm. In the future, if we plant potato, I'm going to plant ginger in between, and then turmeric across. Okay, so that way we help manage pests by planting herbs. We also planted some oregano there. So this is I don't know if you know that's chives, huh? That's chives. So slowly, and of course we have planted so many dragon fruits. In between this, about 2 meters, and then in between the rows I put 3 meters. So that way we have a space to pass here in between. Yeah. So I bought only 3 buckets a while ago. I ran out of budget. Farming, starting up is also very expensive. Anyway guys, thank you for journeying with us in our effort to, you know, grow crops and supply the market. I ask you to continue journeying with us. All right, it's very I'm tired. Okay, na-choka sana. But it's enjoyable. I really enjoyed myself in the farm. Whenever I have no classes, okay, I ensure that I come here. You know, I really love spending time here in the farm and do 1 or 2 things every time. The farm is very accessible from my house. Okay, it's only about 20 kilometers, so that's only about 30 minutes considering the traffic along Langata. This is where we're going to build our house. Okay, but now we are near to the road. We have access to the road. I have planted also super napier. Now pole. We're going to bring animals here, by the way. So I planted super napier here, there. Yeah. And at the same time, I planted this tree. Okay. Now I don't know what is the English name for this, but in the Philippines, we call it kakwate. Okay, kakwate. How do you call this one? It's a madre de cacao. Okay, so Tricantera is madre de agua. This one is madre de cacao. Cacahuate in our local dialect in the Philippines. Now, what is the use of cacahuate? Madre de cacao? Well, it's very rich in nitrogen. For one, the leaves, okay, and very rich in protein for the animals. But at the same time, it has also some insecticidal and fungicidal properties. That's the main reason why we planted cacahuate or madre de cacao. Okay, so that's what we did. So we're going to finish today with these 3 buckets. I have 3 3-inch PVC pipe here. Oh, one more thing. I also prepared this shade for us. Shed. Okay. So I have an anchor here just to stabilize it. Yeah, and then I did also on the other side. Whew, we have accomplished so many things today. Thank you guys for supporting us. By way of supporting us, please don't skip the ads in the video, just to support this channel also. We're not charging anything for the seminar or anything, you know, for the knowledge that we share. Yeah, but so yeah, when all the forage crops are ready, I'm also going to bring a zola here. Once all the forage crops are ready, I'm going to bring in animals already. Okay, goats, chicken, ducks. I have market for duck eggs and duck meat. duck eggs and duck meat. I have market for that. So that's why we're going to keep ducks in this farm. We have access to the river, so at least we have source of water, right? So we're going to keep ducks, chicken, goats, and ultimately my dream to keep pigs. Yeah, that's has always been my dream, to keep pigs. But I need to plant more bananas, okay, for the pigs. Alright guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for journeying with us. Thank you for so much for supporting us in this channel. Thank you also for being my inspiration. I really enjoy making videos, sharing them with you. Alright, but now you can follow us as we journey, yeah, develop this farm. Okay, this farm is about 7 acres. So right now I have planted 2 acres of potato. I'm going to plant again next month. Today is 15th of May. So I still have 2 weeks to prepare the next acre. After that, we're going to plant again 1 acre. So meantime, in between, we are planting ginger and turmeric. So we have learned already how to at least plant potato. Now we are diversifying. We are going to ginger and turmeric. I think the technology is just the same. Although turmeric and ginger, they mature a little bit longer, about 8 to 9 months. Potato, 4 to 5 months. So, alright guys, thank you. Mungu awabariki. Kwaheri. Blessings always. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.